Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down again to find more security settings. And here scroll down again to localize this credential storage section, and simply tap on clear credentials and tap on remove. Not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.